you frustrated every time you open your closet door? Do you struggle trying to figure out what to wear, what styles, what colors, what shapes work best for your body? Well, if you do, I would love to have you join me for my Unlock Your Style and Image workshop on Saturday, March 15th, all day in person. We are going to be doing a deep dive into what colors work best for you, what style clothing works best for your body, what shape clothing. We're going to be talking about what shape accessories, what shape glasses, what shape earrings, necklaces work best for your face shape. If this is something that you're interested in, I would love to have you join me. I'm Shelley Golden. I am a personal branding image consultant, and I love working with professionals to help you create a look and a brand that works for you so you can attract the people into your life that you want to attract, and more importantly, that you feel confident knowing you look fabulous. Thanks so much. Check out the information below.